In August 2025, we launched the 100 Days of DevOps Challenge. The response? Absolutely incredible. 20,723 developers from 84 countries took up the challenge, shared their wins, and transformed their DevOps skills. So we asked ourselves, how can we help cloud practitioners? Introducing 100 Days of Cloud. This is a hands-on structured challenge designed to turn your curiosity into real cloud confidence. You will complete one simple task a day, and each task is going to bring you one step closer to mastering the cloud. You'll start with the absolute essentials: identity, storage, networking, and compute using both AWS and Azure. And then you'll gradually move to intermediate topics and finally into the advanced cloud world of automation, serverless, and scalable modern architectures, all in a smooth, beginner-friendly progression. By the end, you will build a real cloud project, a portfolio you can actually show, and you'll have practical, job-ready cloud skills. You also get certificates and giveaways when you complete the journey. And the best part, it's 100% free. So enroll now, take your first step today.